Hello guys, welcome back with the last puzzle in the puzzle page of today's newspaper on Saturday, May the 20th, 2023, and I've already solved 3 puzzles. The Sudoku with 2 stars, the Killer Sudoku, and Binary, and 1 puzzle is left, the Tectonic. Tectonic with well, I do not know how many stars, but this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one 16, so maybe 1 star. I do not know, but for 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see if this is really a 1 star puzzle. All right, the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? By the way, this one will be number 6465. Yeah, the question is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box a 1, and there single box is a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? Let me check. Here, dual box contains the 1 and the 2. The 1 and 2, let me mark those 2 boxes. Need more information for filling those numbers. Triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes here? I see here 1 triple box. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. The triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Only 1 triple box. Yeah, only 1 triple box. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes in this puzzle? Quadra boxes, let me check. Cannot see any oh, here we have a quadra box. The 3 is already given, so the 1, the 2, and the 4 are missing. Well, I cannot fill those numbers yet. Need more information, insufficient information right now. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, let me see this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1 of them. Then the following shape, how about this shape? This shape, let me draw the shape here. Yeah, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one, what upside down. This box has the same number as that box. How about the T shape? I have a T shape here. Let me draw the T shape here then. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, only 1 T shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? Yeah, here another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. And I overlooked this one. Same as this box, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 3. We have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 in this triple box. The only place left for the 3 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Then this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 4 or a 5. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. This box can be a 5. This box can be a 1. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5. So 1 that you left in this area for number 3. Then this box can be a 5 because we have a double 5 there. And this box can also not be a 5. We have a 5 here, and this box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 5 there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 1, and that box should be a 5. Alright. Let me see, 4, 5. This box can be a 1, can be 4, can be 5. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3, I believe here. 2 and 3, 2 and 3 is connected with that box. So here also 2 or a 3. These 2 boxes, these 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 here. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4 in this quarter box. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. I need a 1 in this area. Well, this box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So the 4 and the 5 are left as a pair. Okay, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be a 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be a 5. It's in the same area, yes. So 1 box left in this area for number 1. These two boxes can be 3. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 and the 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These are 3 boxes surround. The 3 can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. And I've marked this box with 2 or 3. Well, it can't be a 3 anymore. It should be a 2 now. It is connected with that box, should be also 2. And this one is also connected with that box, should be also 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Wait. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 5. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 4. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be in, the 3 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 1 and the 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well. Told you, should be a 1 star or 0 stars. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow on Sunday. Yes, we have an additional with extra puzzles and the Samurai Sudoku. See you tomorrow. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Saturday. Yes, it's weekend.